Bom dia, or good morning, and welcome to Portugal's Aquashow. This is, I did not expect to be here. I did not expect this to be how I began exploring European theme parks. Me being here at this park is not indicative of me visiting a ton of European parks. I just happen to be in Portugal, and I noticed they have a brand new mock launched roller coaster, so I had to come check it out. But Aquashow is primarily a water park here. They also do have a couple of roller coasters and thrill rides, kind of the only park that's dabbling into that side of amusement entertainment. So let's check out Aquashow.
Check.
This is a water coaster. That is the name of the roller coaster, at least as it translates to English. As you might imagine, this is a Mock Rides water coaster. That's also the model name. This opened in 2006, only 5 years after Aquashow opened. And until this year, this stood as the not only the premier roller coaster here at Aquashow, but also the only really major roller coaster in the country of Portugal. And what I love about this ride is that it does fit very well at a water park. Obviously, it's a water ride. But also when arguably a better roller coaster shows up at the park, this isn't outdated. This doesn't suddenly become a thing of the past. It offers a very different experience than something like the Flash coaster. It's got a good layout, 2 lift hills. The first leads into a much more roller coastery sort of section. The second one just turns and goes down a drop. It's almost like a little shoot the chutes ride over there. This section with the turns, there were a couple slightly jolty transitions, but it wasn't horrible. I like that both gravity sections end with a tunnel, and I'm also a fan of a water ride that doesn't absolutely just drown you as soon as you hit the water. Water coaster is a little more reserved in the amount of water that hits you on the splashdowns. It's a good time. Okay, we are checking out the Flash coaster here at Aquashow, the new for 2025 mock launching coaster. Here we go. Oh man, starts with that reverse. Oh! Into the twist and this almost vertical, might be vertical drop. Oh! Here we go, banking one way, upside down. Oh my gosh, and then these heart lines, one after the other, the hang time is crazy. And the swing slows us down into the brakes. What an awesome, awesome compact thrill coaster here at Aquashow. Such a good ride. Okay, Flash coaster is a very fun, compact, launched roller coaster. This is new in 2025. In fact, like many coasters this year, this only opened a couple months ago. This, I think, opened in July. And this seems to be Mach Ride's kind of answer to the Skyrocket 2s and the Intamin, I don't know what Sandy's Blasting Bronco is. What kind of, is that just a Blitz? I don't know. This is like an answer to those compact thrill coasters. And it really, really works well. I think I like this far more than a Skyrocket 2. First off, I love that this starts with a reverse launch, a very punchy reverse launch at that. So instead of taking the time to do a really slow forward launch, medium backward launch, and full speed forward, it only has the 2, which makes both of them a bit more powerful. Gosh, that first hill, you twist, and then it's just this very steep, I don't think it's vertical, but it's very close. Near the back of the train, you really get whipped over that. Then out of that drop, you go straight into this inversion. It's like an Immelman, but at the top of that half loop, it starts to bank you out to the right, and then it's like, nope, switches which way it's banking, banks you out to the left. Kind of reminds me of some of what Max Force does with its inversions. So you get some funky like sideways hang time as you might expect. You kind of dive out of that inversion into another half loop. That starts a sequence of heartline rolls. You start upside down, you go right side up, you do a full heartline roll again, and then another half, ending the ride in that half loop into the station. The launch fins then kind of slow you down, you swing up once, come back in. Really dynamic, really balanced ride for how compact it is and how few elements it's able to fit. It provides a very healthy mix of forces. Like I said, you do get a good bit of hang time. You do get some laterals with how fast it goes into some of those twists. They do throw you to the side. I just wish there was like one more moment of airtime, because as it stands, the only area you're gonna get it is on that first drop. And that's only really if you're in the back of the train. In the front, you kind of hang over it a good bit, which is a cool sensation, but I wish there was like one moment for a quick pop of airtime in here. But I'm very impressed by this roller coaster. Super smooth, those mock trains and seats and restraints, very comfortable. I'm very surprised that they went with kind of a traditional train layout. I would have imagined a park like this, a bit smaller, and this is a very compact ride, might have seen something like the Striker trains. Nope. But I think this is a great fit here at kind of this hybrid water amusement park, and it's a great use of space. It's a very thrilling and compact ride. So if you're ever near Aquashow, maybe come check out the Flash Coaster. The Zamperla Air Race here, that almost got me, and I haven't even eaten recently. When that thing gets moving, it gets moving. The only other air race I have done is the one over at the American Dream in New Jersey. This one felt like it was spinning a lot faster, and also the ride vehicles make a lot more noise here. There's a lot of creaking, and it is a fun ride for about the first 50%, and then the latter 50%, you're just like thinking a lot more about your stomach and stuff than the actual ride experience. But it's not like it made me dizzy, it just really shook me up, like shook me up. I mean, it's good, it's better than a lot of flat rides out there. I just think it's one of those sort of rides that could benefit from a shorter cycle. For whatever reason, no one after me rode this Frisbee ride. I've been trying to get off-ride footage for like 20 minutes. I've been waiting here. No one's ridden it. So best I can do, I filmed on-ride, so here's that. I got a Zen ride on the Frisbee. Ooh, this one's doing a lot more spinning than swinging. We've also got like this head guard right in front. Yeah, a whole lot of spinning. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Woo. Oh gosh. Okay. So it's like it spins both ways. But they're two, oh my gosh, this is kind of sketchy. Whoa. Oh gosh. Okay, it's spinning fast enough that you kind of get negative G no matter which way you're facing, because it's how much centripetal force there is. This, oh. Woo. Oh gosh. jeez. That's got some G. It's such a small arc that when it's moving and it hits the bottom there, you're getting some positives. That's pretty good. Very fun. Like I said there, it's fun. It is very compact, and that kind of helps it get some pretty intense G-forces. And also, like I said, when it spins to the point where it's like really kind of pushing you to against your restraint, regardless of where you are in the swing arc. That's kind of unique. But yeah, when you're at like that peak of the swing, normally I'm used to just kind of floating up into my restraint. This was like tossing you around into the restraint. It was fun, little janky, really fun. So being here alone makes riding just about all of the really, really cool water slides impossible. I could try to find groups that would let me ride with them. There's a really cool water coaster the park just added a few years ago. Then you have the big funnel slide, and also there's like this one with all the different light colors as you go through. Looks really fun. I'm only here for a couple hours, so I'm just gonna get on what I can. Maybe I'll film some, maybe I won't. Enjoy the messy montage that is to follow. But with only a few hours here, I wanted to primarily focus on the roller coaster. So enjoy whatever comes next. That was my first half pipe. Ooh. Oh, this is cold. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's air. There's air time. There's air time. Oh my gosh. Woo. There we go. Okay, I'm recording this time. I wasn't recording. Oh! Okay, here we are back at Flash Coaster. It's the end of the day. They said there's a second mode for this roller coaster where I think it'll go around twice. So we're checking out the extreme mode. Hopefully this is something that they can turn on maybe on slower days when capacity isn't so much of a concern. But here we go with mode 2 on the Flash Coaster. Reverse launch. Oh, this is my first time in the actual very back row. You get some air time on that. Oh! And here's the first drop in the back. Oh man. Okay. Oh, a lot windier. It's a lot windier back here. Oh, and here we go for the hang time galore. Woo! Oh, second time around. Spiral drop you get right before there. You get some crazy airtime in the back row. Oh my gosh. And just like that, that is going to do it for my day here at Aquashow in Portugal. Like I said, kind of not my expected first European park, just having so many bucket list parks like Phantasialand, Europa Park, Thorpe Park. Didn't expect Aquashow to be the first, but sometimes the stars align, and here you are in Portugal, and there's a new Mach Extreme launching coaster, and you have to go check it out. I really did have a good time here, and even outside of the things that I recorded, just going around the park and talking to employees, riding some water slides that I didn't record, the employees here are so friendly. Every single experience I had here, whether it was getting on a ride or working with staff after the park closed, food, merch, whatever it was, whenever I interacted with the staff here, it was just a very pleasant experience, and that was great. I would have loved to visit this place not alone and experienced a few of the other major slides like that water coaster that I wasn't able to try. But even with the stuff that I missed, the balance of water slides and water attractions with thrill rides and roller coasters, this is really like a much more cohesive park than might meet the eye. Definitely worth a visit. And water coaster, really fun roller coaster, but obviously the main reason I'm here was for that new 2025 launching coaster from Mach. It's that compact flash coaster, spectacular, really solid ride. But I really did have a great day here at Aquashow. It's a park worth checking out if you're ever in the area. And like I said, flash coaster is a great addition. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, consider liking it. If you want to see more roller coaster and amusement park content like this coming real soon, consider subscribing. My name is John. You've been watching Mid-Course Discourse, and I'll see you next time.